Welcome to the pistol range. Round 1. Shoot each target. Prepare yourself. Shoot. Perfect. Round 2. Get ready. Shoot. Perfect. Shoot. Perfect. Shoot. Perfect. Shoot. Perfect. Ready? Shoot. Perfect. Round 3. Keep shooting targets. Good luck. Prepare yourself. Shoot. Perfect. Shoot. Perfect. Shoot. Go. Perfect. Shoot. Shooter ready. Perfect. Shoot. Go. Perfect. Round 4. In this round, you will begin with your back to the targets. Shoot targets with the double tap technique. Prepare yourself. Shoot. Perfect. Shoot. Reload. Perfect. Shoot. Reload. Perfect. Round 5. Shoot targets with the double tap technique. Shoot. Perfect. Shoot. Shooter ready. Perfect. Shoot. Perfect. Next round. Round 6. Last round. Good luck. Shoot. Perfect. Shoot. Reload. Excellent shooting. Ready? Shoot. Reload. Excellent aim. Close combat shooting drill. In this round, you will face popper targets set up at various distances. Shoot all targets. Get ready. Shoot. Perfect. Shoot. Perfect. Prepare yourself. Shoot. Start. Perfect. Shoot. Perfect. Shoot. Perfect. Round 2. Good luck. Shoot. Shooter ready. Perfect. Shoot. Perfect. Shoot. Perfect. Steady. Shoot. Perfect. Shoot. Perfect. New round. Round 3. Targets will be moving in this round. Good luck. Shoot. Reload. Perfect. Shoot. Reload. Perfect. Shoot. Reload. Excellent shot. Next round. Steady. Shoot. Go. Perfect. Ready? Shoot. Perfect. Shoot. Start. Perfect. Shoot. Shooter ready. Perfect. Shoot. Great aim. El Presidente drill. Round 1. Make 2 body shots in each target as fast as possible. Bonus points are rewarded for leftover ammo. Shoot. Reload. Get ready. Shoot. Reload. Shoot. Perfect. Shoot. Reload. Perfect. Shoot. Reload. Perfect. Shoot. Reload. Round 2. Double tap the body of each target as fast as you can. Get ready. Get ready. Shoot. Start. Reload. Perfect. Shoot. Reload. Shoot. Reload. Shoot. Perfect. Shoot. Reload. Shoot. Reload. Perfect. Round 3. Double tap the body of each target as fast as you can. You will have less time this round, so be quick. Shoot. Reload. Ready? Shoot. Reload. Perfect. Shoot. Shooter ready. Reload. Perfect. Shoot. Reload. Perfect. Shoot. Reload. Perfect. Shoot. Reload. Perfect. Dozier drill. Use the double tap technique on each target. Be sure not to hit innocent targets. Prepare yourself. Shoot. Shooter ready. Perfect. Shoot. Perfect. Ready? Shoot. Perfect. Round 2. Use the double tap technique on hostile targets. Shoot. Shooter ready. Perfect. Shoot. Perfect. Steady. Shoot. Start. Perfect. Round 3. Targets will be moving in this round. Good luck. Prepare yourself. Shoot. Shoot. Steady. Shoot. Great aiming.